In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine torque strut mount on your Ford Focus. This will be located under the car, right behind the transmission. Let's get started. Using a jack and a piece of wood, we're going to put just a little bit of pressure right here. So when we take this bolt out, the engine doesn't want to drop on us. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolts. Using a pry bar, pry the mount out. Install the new mount. You can use a pry bar to push forward on the engine to help you get enough room to insert it. Get the bolt started. And snug them down. Torque the bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.